Hello to all aspiring ESL teacher! I just wanted to share how I created my self-introduction video. In just one trial, just for a couple of minutes after submitting, my video is approved and passed. So, sharing is caring mga teach. So, I hope this video could help you. Hi! I'm recording my self-introduction script here at 51 Talk Studio. So yan, I'll check all the needed setup. Yan. So I check my measurement, my details of my technical, the lighting 96, background 100. So far so good. Overall, framing 97, 95 audio. Yan. So, I think I'm ready. So, next step. Ready to continue. Next device. Okay. Camera. Ito yung magiging camera. Microphone test. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Wala. Hello, mic test. Hello, hello, hello. Ito wala. Hello. Check audio. Hello. Hello there. My name is Catherine Fiddleton and I'm from the Philippines. Okay, 95. Framing 94. Okay, technical resolution 52. 88. Sharpness, auto track recorder na. Use an HD on a camera and close up the force of webcam to the low. So, next is device. So, make sure you will not be asked to repeat the setup. So, make sure na sigurado ka na dito sa device setup mo bago ka mag-proceed sa script. So, I suggest mga teach na basahin nyo mabuti itong part na to kasi dito nyo na makikita kung nag-comply ka ba dun sa requirements sa pag-edit o pag-record mo ng iyong self-introduction video. So, since 5 times ko na siyang chinek, so far so good. So, move na tayo sa script. Okay. Catherine Fiddleton. Pick what you want. Okay. Warm and friendly. Professional. Add your own. Young learner focus. Energetic and fun. Your script. Okay? Read only. Hello, my name is Teacher Catherine. So, since mababa yung grade na binigay dito sa provided to script, nag-choose na lang ako sa mga recommended. So far, ito, 100%. So, yan. I-try ko na lang siyang i-familiarize. Nakailang retake ako. Kasi sinunod ko yung script na binigay. So, yan. Start recording. Hello and welcome. I'm Teacher Catherine Fiddleton. So nice to meet you. Look guys, nakailang attempt ako. Ilang attempt ako, Diyos ko po. Nagkakamali ako eh. So naka 17 attempt ako. Ayan. So far sabi naman nito 88% high passing chance. So not bad. So I think ipo-proceed ko na to. And teach, tip ko lang talaga much better if you record your SIV dun sa teacher candidacy portal. Kasi may mga nakachat din akong aspiring ESL teacher na nag-record sila using cellphone, then in-upload nila dun sa teacher candidacy portal. So 2 to 3 days wala pa silang feedback. And I hope this could help you teach, and good luck to your SIV!